Hello, YouTube! Today you get a special treat. It's just me, well, me and Luna here. She likes to be on camera as well. We were going through some videos and we decided we needed to show this one. It's been a little while since we were back there, but it wasn't that long ago. We stopped at Santa Rosa, New Mexico at the Route 66 Auto Museum. I hope you enjoy.
My brother,
Wow.
my brother-in-law, he owns the building. He
Yeah.
and the stuff. Him and my sister.
Wow, they've done a fantastic job. Wow, somebody from Japan.
Yeah, he was this morning.
Wow.
He's got a long ride home.
Sure does. But he did a really good job of that. I have never seen a macrame motorcycle.
No.
Ever.
Unfortunately, the beginning of the museum and the front part of it has a lot of music, and so a little bit of unusable audio. Like the old go-kart there. That's really cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
They just got a lot of stuff.
Do you remember full service gas stations?
No, I do not.
I do.
I
I
remember.
was very, very young, but I still remember it.
Yeah.
This
UX. Pedal cars, old Winnebago Indian. That's what I like seeing. Here you see me with my habit of always looking through Matchbox cars looking for the Jeeps. Don't find them a lot, but every now and again I'll see one. Can anybody out there imagine trying to rebuild an engine with these primitive tools? They have got so many items outside of the vehicles themselves. It would take you hours and hours to look through absolutely everything they have. Radio. It's a bizarre shaped radio right there. You can see the speakers over here. And look at that bench grinder, man. That's crazy. Lots of cool stuff. There we go. I'll take this one.
You went that one?
If we're having a pick, I'll take that one.
Oh
right
my
there.
gosh, that's wild looking.
This is a close second, though.
Oh, I love
Mercedes. I even like. This was my favorite Matchbox car too.
Was it really?
Yeah.
Cool.
It was green, long. I like the. You have to wear a belt with it. I don't know. I want all of them. How many years did it take her brother-in-law to do all these?
Wow.
Or did he buy them? And if he bought them, what's he do for a living? Host a TV show?
I don't know.
68 Corvette.
Oh, I like that here.
I think that belongs to Private Malone. Private Andrew Malone.
I like the umbrella. Oh my
Oh. I'm telling you, I'm a sucker for convertible. I like the painting on the side.
Oh,
I like this in the street.
fell. I like this one.
I do too.
And
4,000.
yeah.
Trade the Jeep for it. How cool would that be on the back of Wanda?
I think it would be pretty freaking awesome to have that in Wanda.
Surely that's just what they paid for it, right?
No, that's what
Not
they.
for sale.
Yeah.
Remember that old 57 Chevy over that one. Look at the price difference.
Wow.
It is. This is my dad's absolute favorite car ever. 57 Chevy.
Yeah.
Well, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was.
That's a gorgeous.
You see him going down the
car.
road and stuff. You know what I mean? Look at that top on that thing.
I know, it's amazing.
That must be why it costs so much.
Sharp.
Because it's probably all original.
Look at that. That's amazing.
How much trouble would it be to take that out if you own this place and you wanted to, you know what I mean?
You just
have
back
to.
those cars out and go
Yeah.
to that garage. That's so cool.
I like this truck too. Well, I know everybody. It's got a truck, don't it, or a car. I know some. There's each car. Each car reminds me of somebody. This is what Tom Quigley had. It's very similar anyway.
Is it really?
Yeah, his was more stock than this one.
I love this. This is sharp.
Yeah. There you go. That's not so rare.
Right.
Now, see, this is what I'd like to do right here.
Oh my
I'd like to get a frame off restoration. But I'd do it on a Jeep. This is just a little bit of everything old, isn't it?
Yeah.
What is that?
It just is.
Oh, it's a Buick. Don't look like a Packard.
You see the.
The front end of that thing.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow.
And then still stick police, just the skins. Something happened to that car.
Yeah.
I love it. Truck, man.
Pointy tail light.
Yeah.
It looks like I could sit down there and have lunch in that engine.
It's got a frame on it, but it may not be an actual, you know what I mean,
Right.
full truck. 'Cause it says GMC. It may be that S50.
Oh, it says custom trucks.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And
That looks like the ZZ Top one almost.
it's a 33, so this is the truck. The car would have been a 33.
Oh, okay.
This looks very, very similar.
Santa Rosa Kid. Oh my gosh, that's cool.
That's awesome.
I love this one. This one I
This
love.
looks like the
ZZ Top.
car version of that one.
It looks like it's leaning to the left.
I'm sweating to death, but you know what's better about this auto museum over Tallahassee's?
What's that?
You don't have that crinkle, crinkle, crinkle every time you take a step.
That really bothered me.
Yeah,
That didn't bother me.
that's what is that, a low rider?
Oh my
I
gosh.
suppose. I like that. Automatic specialist. Yeah, that's low. You think there's hydraulics in it? Yeah, air pressure.
Like
Instead of
gun and
hydraulic.
bullets.
Look at that dash, man.
Wow.
That's beautiful. Well, they don't make stuff like that anymore. Look at all the push buttons. It's probably push button transmission. So you had to guess. That's been a while back. This is similar to the truck that my grandpa was driving.
Oh, is it? That's cool.
When I was sitting in the back reaching out the upper tires.
Oh my gosh.
How would you like to have this as your office? I assume that's what this is, right?
That'd be awesome.
That'd be sweet.
That would.
Oh, look at the old air thing. Well, that takes you back too.
Wow.
The drum with all the wolves on it.
Oh, that's cool.
It's different kind of items in there, isn't it? I like the drum. It's clearly not old. Old air. Yeah, I do remember those.
The air.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Weight thing. You want hop on it, Charlotte?
No, thank you.
Huh?
Very funny.
Just put it on YouTube.
I'd break it. It probably don't go that high anymore.
This old wood-burning kitchen stove. You had these back in the day to cook all your food on. Have a fire going in the house all day.
Jeez.
Jeffrey's got one of them.
Does he really?
Old plastic truck. It's very, very similar. I don't know if it's marked like that, but it's similar. Look at this old Sonic type stand.
Oh, that's cool.
On up. Now that's something I've never seen.
That's
in a
not
museum.
old though. You see the prices
I'm gonna
on
say
everything?
50s or 60s.
No way.
Well,
Look at the
they
prices.
can replace this.
No. Yeah.
But
Oh,
this
okay.
stand.
I see. I was gonna say no way because of the
Yeah.
price, but yeah, the stand. I see what you're saying.
So which one did you take? If you had to take one, the Santa Rosa kid?
I like that one a whole lot, but
Mine's still at T-Buckle back here. It's my favorite.
I think I like the 52nd show.
Do you really? You got an expensive case then, I guess. It's $85,000.
Oh. For
Yeah.
the one that you picked out too?
No, the 57 Chevy. Mine was $24,000.
Oh, that's right.
We could get 3 of mine.
Oh,
I
actually.
like this one, believe it or not.
And the VW Bug, cute. But
Yeah.
no, thank you.
My uncle and
That Bronco is
his
cool.
kids would like this, I think.
They are cute.
It'd be fun to drive around for a day or two, you know, like
Right.
rent it out at the Grand Canyon or something, you know. Just,
Right.
now this is nice. This is what they're replacing with the new Broncos.
Mm-hmm.
This little new Bronco.
This is a nice looking.
This one would be a whole lot easier to work on than the...
This one's pretty. Where's on this one?
No? Did you?
125,000.
Well, it's well done. I mean,
Yeah.
I love the color of this one. Absolutely love that color. It's not going to start if they won't hook that battery back up.
I have not seen a baby blue colored.
I mean,
Mustang.
you know, that's something else that's amazing
cool,
about this
that
place
truck.
over Tallahassee. Is that battery looks good, but you hook that positive terminal up, you'd probably start this thing. The other ones didn't necessarily have all that stuff intact.
I remember these old pop machines.
Yeah.
Or soda, whichever.
I definitely want one of those two.
Oh
Man.
yeah, that was so cool.
Which one would you like?
When you're hot and you're
I like the
wanting
7
a
Up one
cold.
personally.
I think I do too. Wow.
Yeah,
Yeah,
those-
that's exactly what I remember. Was
They had one of these in Firehouse.
Really?
I think it was Jefferson Township had it.
Wow.
Yep. Look at this old golf cart. This
Oh my
needs its own
gosh.
prominent place.
It does.
Do you remember the one at the airport?
Yeah.
What did we name him?
I think we need to
Scoot?
Scoot, yeah.
Because this one kind of looks like a Scoot. Like Scoot's
bet.
brother.
We could reunite them.
I'll drive this over to Missouri.
Scoot and
No,
Scout.
to Tucson, wasn't it?
And then one Scout and one Scoot.
What's that?
You didn't get a picture of the Mustang, did you?
What's this?
I have no idea.
It's a really odd thing to put
Educate
here.
me.
It's a corn shelly.
Oh, well, it is strange. And here we have, folks, for your viewing pleasure. I'm too close. It looks like a 1965 baby blue Mustang.
It's fine. Is that 82? Yeah.
I like the 82, but I don't like the color. Seafoam green.
But you could like carry 30 people on that hood alone. It's not even. Somebody's gonna have to tell me. I don't know what everything is, and I have no idea what this thing is. It looks like maybe it's an electrode of some sort. Coil tester, yeah.
A what?
Alright, no. It's a coil tester.
Oh.
You get spark on it. This museum was well worth the stop. It's owned by one person, and he makes a lot of the displays in there really nice. Of course, it's his collection of vehicles. It's great that people open those things up for us to stop in and take a look at them, especially it's really cheap. I think $5 per person, $10 for the two of us, and we had a day trip there. So you could take a little bit longer than we did, but we were there for a little over an hour. Got to see everything. It's mostly in one room, really large room. Of course, you've seen it by now. So it's air conditioned. This is the time of year to get inside those air conditioned things and take a look. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Luna's going to sleep. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you again next week.